Good morning, traders. Bill Dixon here at MF Global on Tuesday, October 4th, with some opening comments for the sauce markets. Cocoa continues lower again today. Made another new low for the third straight session, so it's the lowest we've been in a couple of years, actually. Same old fundamental picture there. We've got tons of supply on hand. We've got big crops coming. British is exhibiting weakness. It'll be interesting to see if this British can hold the 153 level. If it does get through there and breaks out, I think cocoa could see a pretty precipitous drop beyond what it's already seen. And of course, we've got outside weakness. Everything else is weaker. All eyes are on Europe, so unless we start to get some bullish news out of that one, some concrete news rather than just some rumors, I don't expect to see any significant rallies in that market. And I do think that it would take significant rallies elsewhere to go ahead and push this thing higher with the fundamental picture looking the way it is. So again, if you do get any bounces, I'd probably look to sell them. I think it provides a pretty good opportunity because there really isn't a whole lot of bullish news out there for the market. And I don't really see anything coming to fruition that's really going to prop it up. Coffee made let's see, the lowest price of the year yesterday. We are hanging in there a little bit today, kind of an inside day in that market. They are expecting better weather in Brazil, finally expecting some rain, so there aren't too many concerns that we're going to see the hot, dry weather or the warm, dry weather to go ahead and provide a little bit of support to that market. Again, it's all eyes on Europe. If everything else goes down, coffee's going to go down too. Not really too worried about anything, there's, again, a lack of bullish news there. Crops everywhere look pretty good. Got plenty on hand right now, too, so there's not really a whole lot of supply concerns in that market either. So, again, we're going to need some news out of Europe to see that market go up, and I would still probably sell rallies. I do like getting short around 235, 240 in some way, shape, or form if we do get a bounce all the way up there, but again, I don't know what it would take a lot for us to go ahead and see that, I think. Sugar, a little bit lower again today. We are starting to see via the commitment of traders report that the heavy net long position is starting to unwind a little bit. Looks like we're in a little bit of a bearish continuation pattern right now. So I'm still looking for about 23 in that market, but I would welcome rallies because I think that provides a pretty good opportunity, like the other two markets that I just mentioned, to go ahead and get short in some way, shape, or form. We do have a world surplus coming, so there's not really any reason for that one to go too much higher either, unless we do see some concrete news out of Europe, but it looks like they're having trouble implementing that, and I think the news over there is probably just going to get worse. So I think you got to look to play the downside pretty much across the board. If you'd like to talk about these markets or any other markets in greater detail, feel free to reach me at my trade desk, which is 312-788-2942. Please do remember that futures trading does involve the risk of substantial loss and not suitable for all investors. Thanks and have a good day.